Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another 4 outfits that I was inspired to recreate from my Pinterest board using my own wardrobe, and this is summer edition. Alright, so we got really fun outfits to style today. I'm super excited. This will officially be my last Pinterest video in this location, so I'm so excited for the new setup and all of that, but it'll be a while, but we're gonna get there. So let's jump in. I'm excited. I have 4 outfits, like I said, very summery, very light, very breezy. I think these are all like awesome. Love, can't wait to recreate them. So let's start with look number 1. Okay, so I love this style of dress, and I recently picked one up just like this from Quince. Hers I think is like a solid. Mine is like a solid like material. Mine's a linen, but it's gonna get the same kind of look. So we're going to do that. But before I actually put that dress on, I want to put on my sneakers because I don't want to wrinkle my dress. So I'm going to throw on my little Onitsuka Tiger sneakers. I think this will look cute because I've got navy. This is kind of like a gray, but I need to be wearing these more often. I don't know why I don't reach for them. I love them to death. I don't know why I haven't reached for them. I've worn them a couple times, but I need to wear them more. So let's pop these on. You know the drill. We'll chit chat, we'll talk, and we'll get dressed together. Okay. Sneakers on. Sneakers with a robe. It's totally a vibe. But these, I forgot. Why do I not wear these? They're so stinking cute. I love them. Okay. Let's pop on my dress. So she's just like a little shift dress on, which I love this one so much. I'm already thinking about where I can convince Scott to take me to dinner tonight, because your girl feels like cooking nothing. I'm like a week out from my period and just so stressed with this move. So I'm like, save me from my own craziness. Okay. Anyway, hat on, just a little polo hat. I don't want to smush up my hair because I did actually air wrap it today, and I don't want to like make it flatter than it already is, because my hair just lately has not held a short flex style curl in a long time. Okay, for very long, I mean. Okay, little navy sweater over the shoulders. I did a sunless tan too, feeling myself, feeling 10 times better. And then she just has a little, this is like a larger, no, oh, wrong way. Hold on, hair. Here we go. Let's put this over like this. Buttons in. This is like a larger sweater because I got it in like a large or an extra large, but it's fine. Let's reference the photo. Oh, she has ice cream now. Ice cream. Okay, she has hers tied. This is just such a cute look. I was like so excited once I got this dress to be able to recreate it, because I already knew I'll wear this dress so much, but I do want to get it hemmed. Anyway, and then she has an ice cream. So sad. And I'd probably pair this with my little Chloe purse, so, or my little Merit one. Honestly, I'm feeling the Merit one because it's kind of slouchy and vibey. If I haven't convinced you to order the Merit kit where you get a free bag, because I've styled this so many times, I don't know who will, but I think it's so cute. Okay, it's got my mints in it. All right, look number 1. So cute. Okay, her, me, how'd we do? This minus the ice queen. I wish, I'm like, and she has big gold hoops. I have like a little gold hoop on. Ana Luisa, as you know. And yeah, that was look number 1. I think we kind of nailed it, you guys. I think it's adorable, and I'm gonna wear this all the time. It's such a good look. Okay, let's move on to look number 2. Okay. All right, look number 2. You can't really see a ton, but I still think I have an idea of how it should look. And when I saw this is like something that I would obviously completely wear, love. And I haven't worn my little Chanel espadrilles in what feels like forever. I feel like I didn't wear them much at all last summer. I'm not sure why, but I was excited to break them out and was happy that I didn't, in fact, pack them away like I thought I did. So yay for that. But let's put on kind of a slightly, not like a cropped jean, but like a little bit of an ankle jean. I have these ones from A Goldie, the pinch waist 90s, I believe is what they are. And let's pop these on. And then I'm gonna use my new Quince button up as well. I think that blue is like the perfect kind of blue. They call it True Blue on their website. I don't know if I believe it. I mean, it is. Okay, it's blue. But see how these jeans are just slightly cropped? They could even be a little bit more cropped. I honestly feel like I should get them more intentionally cropped. These jeans are really good. I forget every time I put them on how good they are. Okay, let's put on the little blue button up. My delusion is like really in full effect recently. Well, ever since we posted this house like on the market, what has it been, like 19 days or so? No, it's been, it'll be 2 weeks or 3 weeks on Friday. Delusion is hitting me hard because I really thought it would just be sold, but then I forgot. Dallas is kind of like an anomaly with housing markets. If you're sick of dealing with crazy housing markets, just move to Dallas because you can buy anything, because in reality, nothing is selling. So there's that. And I was kind of like having a freak out moment where I was like, did we buy too soon? Should we have waited until we sold this place? But we in reality probably are gonna be sitting on this place for like 6 months before it sells. Ooh, gross. Double mortgage for 6 months. Expect to be seeing 0 hauls from me because your girl's stressed. Okay, next up, she has like Chanel like flats. I have the espadrilles, which are more my style, but I mean, I still love those flats, okay? But this is the look. Very basic, very simple, just oversized, but like oversized and intentional and so cute. Okay, I think that's all literally she has. She has a straw bag. Her pants are a little more cuffed, but it's okay. But she's all like, do I look the same? I feel like we look the same. I feel like we even have the same kind of cut to our shirt. I think I nailed it. I think this is super cute, basic and good. And good to know I can wear this with darker jeans because I really hadn't tried it. And I'm a fan. So, look number 2, complete. I think it's cute. I love it. All right, let's move on to look number 3, which is just Martha Stewart, or Martha's Vineyard in a photo. It's so cute. Obsessed. So I don't have the exact same sweater, obviously, because this is a Jenny Kane ad, and I do not own a Jenny Kane sweater, nor would I think I probably ever would, but let's keep moving. So she has a pair of white linen shorts on, so let's pop those on really quick. But this also looks so good with white, okay? Okay. And we're gonna put on a little white tee. Her sweater is a V-neck sweater. I don't have a V-neck sweater. I have a crew neck, but I think it'll still achieve the vibe. Plus, I have a hat like hers, but again, have already packed it away. So the one that I'm going to be showing you is similar-ish, but not the same, but we're gonna use our imagination, right? I really wish the necklines on these were better because I love everything else about them. I just hate the neckline on these Quince tees, but whatever. Okay, let's put on our sweater. Did I bring shoes for this look? She's not wearing shoes. I probably honestly wear my Birkenstocks, my clogs, or my sandals. So you see how obviously mine's not V-neck, but I still think it works. It gives a layered sort of look to it. My sweater is like oversized, but not super oversized. Honestly, it's like perfect size. I got this a long time ago, back in the fall, from J. Crew. I was just gonna untuck, so we're gonna leave it untucked. And then this is the hat that I have. I have a bucket hat like hers, which I wish that I had for the sake of this video, but I don't, so. Cute. Are you kidding? This is so cute. I love this. See, it's so adorable. Sometimes I have to remind myself that these outfits are so cute, and girl, you need to be wearing these instead of just jeans and a white t-shirt out of the house every day, you know? Happens to the best of us. Don't think I'm dressing like this 24/7 because your girl's not. Oh wait, we made it kind of work. Oh wait. Okay, this is it. It's so cute. Yeah, I would pair my clogs, but Scott's on a call downstairs and we're not interrupting him. Plus, I just don't feel like going downstairs. So imagine Birkenstocks. This is it. So adorable. Or this would also look great with just a pair of like leather flip-flops. So yeah, look number 3. I'm ready for my coastal, it's giving coastal granddaughter, coastal grandma. I'm here for it. All right, let's move on to the 4th look. Look number 3 is a very like monochromatic tonal, not monochromatic, tonal, so very similar to this. So we're gonna put on our white barrel jeans from a Goldie. And then, you know, we'll accessorize, we'll do the thing. Truly the best part about this house is that I don't have to like worry about every time I'm filming all the people that could be staring at me right now, because there are so many. I'm just like open to the wild, okay? I have huge windows. Free peep show, if you will. Not us last night. The other night we were talking about how our 5-bedroom house wouldn't be big enough if we decided to have another child. Delusion. We have a like 1,400 square foot townhome, 2 bedrooms, and we have a child. Okay, like we would be fine. But we're all like, maybe we could just change our attic into another room. Like, full delusion. 3,800 square foot, but not enough room, you know? Anyway, it's funny how that works, but we would figure it out if we decided to have another child for sure. I couldn't lose my office, you guys, because I still need to work like more because babies are expensive. Okay, next up she has the same flats I think as the first or the second girl, but we're gonna put on our Chanel's. Cute. Let's put on a cream little like sweater vest. This is one of those pieces I've had in my wardrobe forever. I have it in black as well, and I just forget that I own it. So thankful that she reminded me that I in fact own something very similar to it. Oh, I really like this. I want to stay in this for the rest of the day. This is so cute. It's honestly adorable. I just need to dress more like this sometimes, you know? Thank you, Pinterest. Thank you for reminding me. And then we're gonna top it off with like a tan little belt. Also would look great with black belt because the black in the shoe will kind of tie it together as well. But belt, I always put this belt on upside down, which doesn't really matter. So, woohoo, adorable. You guys, this probably is one of my favorites. Mostly just because it's kind of unexpected. I would just not put these together. I haven't pulled this out of my wardrobe in a million years. And this is adorable. So that's it, you guys. That is my little end of spring, early summer Pinterest outfits that I was inspired to recreate using my own wardrobe. Sometimes these pants give me Barbie crotch. You know what I mean? Like where it's like, boop. Sometimes they do. Anyway, love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know what your favorite outfit was down below. I think this one was a hit. This would also look great with my little loafers from Quince, but again, packed. So, excuse me, Scout, who you growling at? Who you grumbling at, mister? What you doing? No, stay. No, stay. Stay. I don't want to wake the beast. You stay. All right. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Found this video fun and helpful. And remember, inspiration, not replication. Use Pinterest to your full advantage. I saw this thing on TikTok the other day that someone was saying Pinterest is like the most used app by Gen Z. I don't believe that, but I love it because I love Pinterest. And I need to get back to posting regularly on there. It's a goal. I need to do it. But I love finding inspiration, and I feel like it needs more people. I feel like Pinterest is not oversaturated. Go post your outfits. Get inspiration from there. I've been using it a ton. My whole like board right now is all home decor. So yeah, excited about that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.